Hey, you guys. It's Friday. Happy Friday. I took a shower today. Proud of myself. Anyway, I just wanted to hop on. This is a special Mother's Day kit that just came out. It's amazing. And these oils in here are so powerful. So let me just show you. Look how gorgeous it is. It's got a little like magnetic flap right here. Okay. And there's 5 different rollers. These are like the best ever. This little bird in the background, he's so happy too. So anyway, I'm just going to go through and share quickly a few of the benefits of the oils. Okay, the first one is neroli. Oh, they all smell so good, you guys. This is the oil of shared purpose and partnership. It helps to calm troubled hearts in relationship conflict. And I know that some of us can use that being stuck at home all day. This can be your best friend. I also really love it for if I'm having any kind of head tension. I'll just roll it on my forehead, my temples, and the back of my neck. And it's really incredible at taking away any kind of head tension. The next one is jasmine. By the way, any of these, you can use them as perfume. They smell so good. Oh my gosh, this is so good. All right, so jasmine is the oil of sexual purity and balance. It helps to support, my kids are looking at each other funny. It helps to support the resolution of sexual issues, and it encourages safety in intimate relationships. So this is just a gorgeous oil. It smells so incredible. You can use it, like I said, daily as a perfume, just on your pulse points. Oh my gosh, it's super sweet and I love it. It's amazing. Okay, rose. You guys, this is so incredible. So this little Mother's Day packet is $68 wholesale. And just for the rose alone, it's such an incredible deal because these little rollers are 4 ml, but for a 10 ml roller of rose, it's $75. And if you want to buy the little tiny rose bottle, hey guys, somebody's shaking the table. Can you stop that, please? A little tiny 5 ml bottle of pure rose is like $275. So to have rose in this little kit is incredible. Rose is the oil of divine love. Oh my gosh, it has a higher vibration of any other oil on the planet. Rose is the queen of oils, like frankincense is the king, rose is the queen. It's a powerful healer of the heart, and it teaches the essential need for divine grace and intervention in the healing process. So I really like to use this one over my heart chakra, so between my breast and my sternum. You could also do that as a perfume, really incredible oil. And then we have magnolia. Oh, this one is so good too, you guys. This is the oil of compassion. It inspires the willingness to see the divine beauty within each soul. So maybe your family members or somebody that you're stuck at home with, it could be helpful, right? It creates a tender place within the heart to learn about human interconnectedness and how to live in love and harmony. So that one is also a gorgeous oil you could use for a little perfume. The last oil. This is so exciting. This one is a brand new oil that's never been offered by doTERRA before, and the only way that you can buy it is in this kit. So this is Blue Lotus oil. Oh, it smells really good. Kind of reminds me of helichrysum a little bit. It's the oil of dreams. It encourages you to have the courage to dream. It also helps you with patience. Anybody use a little bit of that right now? Helps open up the mind and heart. It's also a really nice relaxing blend and helps with hormone balancing. So I'm just going to put this one all over me right now. So beautiful, you guys. I would highly, highly, highly recommend you guys get this little kit. It's gorgeous. It makes a nice gift. There is a limit of 4. So if you want to get one for yourself and for somebody else, you can get up to 4 of them. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you're staying safe and use your oils to help you with your emotional well-being. Talk to you later. Bye.